Good evening everyone. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Bosle. Today date is 28 July 2021. Today's video topic is abstraction and interface. Let's see abstraction first. Abstraction is declared with as the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Method with the body. Before learning abstract class, let's understand the abstraction in Java first. Abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the other. Another way, it shows only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending SMS where you type the text and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. Abstraction lets you focus on the what the object does instead of how does it is. There are two ways to achieve abstraction. First way is abstract by using abstract class and by using interface. By using abstract class, there is a possibility of achieving abstraction is 0 to 100%, and in interface the possibility is 100%. Let's see abstract class in Java. A class which is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. It needs to be extended and its method implemented. It cannot be instantiated. There are some points to remember in abstraction. An abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. Then second is it can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Then third is it cannot be instantiated, means the object cannot be created. It can have constructors and static method also. It can have final method which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. And then let's see example of abstract class. Abstract methods in Java. A method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as abstract method. Example of abstract method is abstract void print status. Here the method has no body and abstract. Example of abstract class that has an abstract method. Now let's see one example: abstract class bike, in which method is abstract void run, and method has no body. Then in second class Honda 4 extends bike. In this void run method, SOP is with running safely, and in public static main class we create a bike object. Bike obj is equal to new Honda 4, and we with object we call the run method, and output is running safely. Let's see understand the real scenario of abstract class. In this example, the shape is the abstract class, and its implementation is provided by the rectangle and circle classes. Mostly we don't know about implementation class, which is hidden to the end of the user, and object of the implementation class is provided by the factory method. A factory method is method that returns the instance of the class. We will learn about the factory method in next later. If we create the instance of rectangle class, draw method of rectangle class will be invoked. Let's see what is mean by interface in Java. An interface in Java is a blueprint of class. It has static constants and abstract methods. The interface in the interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static constants and abstract methods. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. There can be only abstract method in Java interface, not only body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can say that interface can have abstract methods and variables. It cannot have a method body. The Java interface also represents the is a relationship. Next, it cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class. Since Java 8, we can default and static method in an interface. In Java 9, we can have private method as an interface. Let's see why use Java interface. There are mainly three reasons to use interface. They are given below. First reason is it is used to achieve abstraction. Next reason is by interface we can support the functionality functionality of multiple inheritance. It is used to achieve the loose coupling. Next reason is then let's see how to declare an interface. An interface is declared by using the interface keyword. It provides the total abstraction, means all the methods in an interface are declared with the empty body, and all the fields are public, static and final by default. A class that implements an interface must be implements all the methods and declared in interface. Let's see syntax of interface. First name syntax is a keyword, then interface name declared constant in the body, declared constant fields, and then declare methods that abstracts by default. In Java 8 interface improvement, since Java 8 interface can have default and static method which is added. Then next let's see the relationship between the classes and interface. A class extends another class and interface extends another interface, but a class implements an interface. Here the implements word is used for inheritance instead of extend word. Java interface example. Let's see an example. Interface name is printable, and then in which in file printer method. Then next class A6 implements printable, and then the method is file and print method is sup hello. Then in the main class we can create an object of A6 obj is equal to A6 and with obj.printer the output is hello. Let's see Java interface example in which drawable. In this example drawable interface, let's see, has only one method. Its implementation is provided by rectangle and circle classes. In a real scenario, an interface is defined by someone else, but its implementation is provided by different implementation providers. Moreover, it is used by someone. It is used by someone else. The implementation the part is hidden by the user who use the interface. Next, the Java interface example. Let's see the example of bank. Interface bank and float rate is of interest. The class is B implements the bank, and in public float rate of interest returns 9.15. Then class PNB bank implements the bank public float rate of interest method return 9.7. Then class interface 2, in which main method bank create object bank B is equal to new SBI method new SBI system.ROI plus B rate of interest. Then output is 9.5 in by using inheritance, multiple inheritance in Java by interface. If a class implements multiple interfaces or an interface extends multiple interfaces, it is known as multiple inheritance. Next is multiple inheritance is not supported through the class in Java, but it is possible by interface. Let's see the reason behind it. As we know, the explained in inheritance chapter, multiple inheritance is not supported in the cases of the class because of ambiguity situation. However, it is supported in case of interface because there is no ambiguity. It is because implementation is provided by the implementation class. Thank you.